Get TLOKS1N. That guy always ready for boxing. Yeah, get TLOKS1N. TLOKS1N on the beat. TLOKS1N on fire, Jaka man's a beast. Wanna ride it, but I can't take the heat. I'ma keep doing this till I write up a hit. And I'ma try by all means to avoid defeat. Cause I get my TV fike, but I could in the fridge. Tala yentswe ring kana kaja go tle the fridge. Ya gago, matter of fact, including saka la gago. Ha ke setse ke tumetse including tsimo ya gago. Komisa ga jaja, maros kan jaja. Tla lentswe le bana ba kinye ka ba gapa. Tla lentswe le bana ba itepa ba kataka. Ngwanusela ke mona nkareng ka mo hesh. Mara kwa pala matata gape ke gore rata go inyatsa re bo re dumela fa ba bangwe ba re fora nakana ke nna le ditoro tse di tona so ama grind get money until ke kgora matata gape motho le ene ga nka kgora motho ga nka kgora man ya ke TLOKS1N. That guy always ready for boxing. TLOKS1N on the beat, I can do damage by the start that you should from my view. Ke gopola nako tsele ke posta HVs back then ke ne ke rela mostly for the few. But then I found passion from Tupac and it's classic dog passion, and from drama where the loss is literally tragic. And I touch a J. Cole and it's like magic. I was born into the industry which isn't driving because of bigotry, but on a shame that I entertainment industry and choose to glorify that of another country. America as a country, so many stories to tell. Are we blind as a country? At least there are those striving for the people's appreciation as a bounty. But what about me, you ask? I'm guilty of this bigotry. So through my music I made my views to ensure we strive beyond Hubble's far-reaching view. I'm here to we cultivate this better awareness. It's up to you to sow the seed and grow into greatness. Yeah, get TLOKS1N. Get TLOKS1N. That guy always ready for boxing. Bye, it's man. TLOKS1N. That guy always ready for boxing.